Every time we step into the world, we put on a kind of posture, not just in our body, but in our being. The way we hold our shoulders, the way we move, smile we offer. They all become part of the quiet performance we carry. Today, as you walk, we'll begin to notice that posture, not to judge it, but to meet it with awareness. Welcome, everyone. I'm Mary Beth Rim, and welcome to today's meditation. This meditation is part of our series of Why We Wear Masks, a journey towards understanding the subtle ways we protect, perform, and sometimes lose touch with what's real. And I'd love for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, where I share these meditations, reflections, and conversations to help you reconnect mind, body, and spirit. Today's practice is a walking meditation, an invitation to observe how we move through public spaces and how our body reveals or conceals our inner truth. Before you begin walking, take a moment to ground yourself. Stand tall but relaxed. Feel your feet on the earth. Notice the subtle sway in your body as you find balance. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Let the breath settle naturally. You are here. You are safe. Start to walk slowly with intention. Notice the contact between your feet and the ground. Heel to toe, step by step. Pay attention to your rhythm, the natural cadence of your movement. Are you rushing? Holding tension? Floating forward on autopilot? Let each step be an anchor to presence. Feel gravity as a gentle pull toward what is real. If your mind wanders to how you look, how you should walk, who might be watching, simply notice that too. Return to the rhythm beneath the performance. As you continue walking, begin to notice your public posture. How do you hold yourself when others can see you? Do your shoulders rise slightly? A quiet defense? Or does your face soften or tighten? Do you lead with confidence or shrink a little into the background. This isn't about correcting. It's about witnessing. The body tells stories we've forgotten to listen to. Breathe deeply as you walk. With each inhale, invite awareness. With each exhale, release judgment. You might notice the way your arms swing. Is it fluid or restrained? The lift of your chin, is it natural or held in effort? Each observation is a gentle reminder of how pretending finds its way into the physical self. Now, invite a shift, not a correction, but a softening. As you walk, allow your shoulders to drop. Let your face relax. Let the natural rhythm of your body lead instead of your image of how you should appear. Walk as if no one is watching. Walk as if belonging is not something you must earn, but something you already carry within. With each step, repeat silently to yourself, I belong when I am real. Feel how that mantra shifts your stride. How authenticity feels different from effort. Maybe your breath deepens. Maybe your steps feel lighter. Maybe you notice, for the first time in a while, that the world meets you differently when you walk as yourself. As you continue to walk, bring gratitude into this awareness. Gratitude for the body that carries you, even when masked. Gratitude for its wisdom, for its endurance, for its honesty. You might whisper softly, "Thank you, body, for showing me where I pretend. Thank you for guiding me back to what's real." Feel the air around you, the aliveness of this moment. You're walking through your own awakening, step by step, breath by breath. Let the final few steps be slow, intentional, sacred. Now come to a gentle stop. Stand still for a moment. Feel your heart beating. Notice the steadiness in your breath. You have nothing to hide here. You belong in your own body. You belong as you are. I want to thank you so much for practicing with me today. If this meditation resonated with you, please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, where we explore the path of awareness through movement, mindfulness, and the courage to be real. I'm Mary Beth Rim. Until next time.